like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have April's ice cream box. Yeah, it's a little late because I got a little sidetracked. But anyway, if you're not familiar with ice cream, this box is $25 delivered. You get 5 to 7 items, and you're guaranteed one of those to be a pallet, which I kind of enjoy. And they also have a bag, and I think it's $12.50, and I think it's $3.50 for shipping, and you get 3 to 5 items with that. But all the information's down below, and I do put the price and the links where you can buy the individual items in my boxes down below. If you're interested in the item itself instead of just the whole box, I always put that all down below. So anyway, I did open it up, take out the peanuts, and I did screw with, I wanted to check this. This is an update on this from last month. It is the item that was no good in my box, and it is called Bobe Beauty. It's from Bobe Beauty, and it's called Liquid Highlight Drops. And that's what it looks like. And I'm going to get a lot of reflection because I'm filming in the evening. I usually do it in the morning because it comes through my picture window so bad. But this is what it looks like. And thank you. I don't know what that was, but everything just went bowling. And this, if you remember last month, this is what the bottle looks like. It's a really pretty bottle. Yeah, right there's the wording, I guess. And it's a really pretty bottle. I mean, it would appear to be nice. However, mine was goopy last time, so I went ahead and took this out, and you'll never guess. Goop again. Just goop again. So, but she did ask me, she said, do you mind if we just send it to you next time? And I said, no, absolutely not. Wasn't her fault. So, but it's just goop again, so yeah, it's just goop again. This is round 2, and it's just so thick you can't even suck it up in there, so I personally don't want any more. So, see, it's just stuck right there. It's just in chunks. So anyway, I'm just going to call this one a bust. I've never had that problem with any of them, but only reason I was even concerned about it in the beginning is because I wanted to know how well their service was, and she took care of it right away. She asked me if it was okay to send it in the next box, and I said that's fine. Why should she have to spend extra shipping money when it wasn't her fault? So, so anyway, this is the start of this box, and I did take out all the peanuts. They do come with those earth-friendly peanuts that dissolve. So, and every month you get a printout of what's in your box. And I'll just leave it there for a second. You can pause it, read it, whatever. Okay, so then we'll go down through the list. Okay, we'll start with this one. This is a bold graphic marker, and it's from it's from Dolce, and it's $23. And this is it's Doucce is how it's spelled. Dolce? I don't know. Do you know how I am with spelling? I can spell, I just can't pronounce things. But let's see where it's at. Okay, this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like here. So you can make, I'm going to do it, I'll just do it right here. But you can make a thin line, you can make a thick line, or anything in between. If you see, here's the den. So there you go. So this is different, and I like that. I'm kind of into different. Can't tell. And that was a $23 value. Let's see what's next. Let's see what is next. This is Beauty for Certain. And this is matte liquid lipstick, and it's valued at $22. Okay. We'll do it this way. This is the color. And that's the color. And it is very potent. So just be wary of that. But, you know, a couple drops is enough. So I'll put that down there too. Okay, and this is Eyescream Beauty. Okay, this is exclusive to the box, and it's a duochrome duo. And it's exclusive to their box. And this is what it looks like. It does come with this little brush, but let's be honest, we're going to use that now. So I'm going to use it just for this purpose, but I'm going to have to, yeah. I'll just zoom it in and you won't even see me. And then I'll do the other side. Ooh, that came, ooh. Yeah, this is one you're going to have to pat on because this all came out. It is, see what happened? It's very soft on that side. So, just bear that in mind. But if you look, you can see that I'm trying not to get the direct reflection. And you can see it. But I'll zoom in on that. They're very pretty. I like duochromes myself. So, but that's exclusive to this box. You can't get that anywhere else. So, that won't be below. I mean, the information will be, but it won't. And that was $20. Okay, then we have, let's see what this is. This is from Charmacy. I believe that's up here. This is Multichrome Liquid Eyeshadow by Charmacy Global, and it's $12. There you go. And let's see. And this is what this looks like. Now I find with these you have to really be careful because you're liable to think they're lipstick toppers, and they're not. Trust me, they taste terrible. I've done it. And it comes out like this. And let's see where can I put this where I can actually, here we'll put it right. We'll put it right next to the rest. Ooh, that was kind of cool. That was kind of cool when I did that. Because see, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if you look. I'm going to turn it in all directions. And it really reflects. It gets purples in there and blues. Very pretty. Very pretty. So I do like that one too. I have one similar, but not that same zone. It goes from purple to blue to silver. Yeah, I really like that. I might wear that to the graduation. That would look really nice with my dress. And if I just put it, you know. So anyway, as a topper, and then, oops, it's still wet. You're really going to have to, with that one, you're really going to have to let it dry, because, I mean, I put a whole lot on there. I didn't mean to, but I did. And that was $12. Okay, and this is Good to Go Palette by Ofra Cosmetics, and it is $39. And I do have a link down below for this. Come on. Come on. Well, no wonder. There, we got it. And here's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. It's got a plastic cover on it, and I will remove the cover. This is, of course, there's your blush, bronzer, highlighter, eyeshadows. And I'll do the 3 highlighters right here. So you have a choice. You can mix them together or you can do them separately, and those are the highlighters. And I'll do the blush and the bronzer. And then I'll go and do these. These are the eyeshadows. And there's one. I don't think I did. No, I would have known that. That's very pretty green. Let's do this. I'll do here. And then, trying to see which one. Those are the colors on the eyeshadows. I'm trying to move them around occasionally but yeah, this is kind of an all-in-one set, which is really nice for travel. And as you know, I'm getting ready to leave for Louisiana for my granddaughter's graduation. So I'll probably take that with me. And so we have, yeah, sun's getting ready to go down. So anyway, on this channel I do all kinds of unboxings. I do Temu hauls, I do TikTok hauls, I do beauty boxes, subscription boxes, FabFitFun, occasionally Jeffree Star. I've got a Jeffree Star mystery box up right now. So come on back, join us, like, subscribe, do that YouTubey stuff. Come on back. Bye.